This is Karthik.R and my topic is about automation design error location in RTL designing. RT, Talking about RT automation, RTL designing thinking, RTL or register transfer level is a very critical stage in the digital system development. Errors at this stage can cause several delays and several delays and failures. That why automation tools are used, and they help to find and fix the errors much faster than the manual methods. So importance of the error location customization and RTL. Accurate error location is important because it reduces the debugging time and speed up the entire project. It also improves the quality. It also improves the quality and reliability of the design before the fabrication and automation of tools. Automation of tools are especially useful since they are scale are very large and complex designing. Common error types, common errors in RTL design errors. There are the three types of RTL errors. Syntax errors such as missing functions and functions, where where the designing where the de- where the design does not behave as expected, as the timing error, which effectively synchronization of the signals. Challenges in error locationization. Manual debugging becomes very slow and takes time and error points where the designing gets bigger, and some errors are not easy to detect. So with the modern RTL complexity, advanced technologies are needed to for proper analysis. Traditional error detection methods. Traditional error detection methods are simulations based on the testing, which is the most common method. So formal verification is used to recognize and check the corrections and errors. So manual code reviews through helpful and are slow and limited in scope. Need of automations in errors locationalization. Automation tools can analyze very large code base and quickly. So they can prioritize the pinpoint faults and reduce the manual efforts, makes the debugging process more efficient and accurate. Overall automation localization techniques. There are three main techniques: statistic analysis, which checks the codes without running it, and dynamic analysis, which observes and behave during simulation, and hybrid approaches, which combines both of them for the better results. And statistic analyzation. For a error locationalization, statistic analysis looks the code structure and the data flow. It detects the common mistakes earlier and gives the feedback before simulation or synthesis. This helps to catch errors at the earlier stage. Dynamic analysis in RTL debugging. Dynamic analysis motorized signals during simulation of running. It helps in linking links falls with specific input or stages in specific useful or detecting time problem or transaction errors. Formal verification mathematical methods to provide corrections or to find the content errors, and it can identify the exact location and function errors, and it completes of the simultaneous or simulation methods. Machine learning in error locationalization. Recently, machine learning is used and it predicts the errors prone in this design by learning from the history debugging data. It enhances the traditional techniques with the pattern recognition. Tool support. There are several tools available for both commercial or open sources. Example including VC Formal, Jasper Gold, and open source alternatives. These are the integrated well with fixes and core workflow. Case study of workflow. A typical automation workflow starts with the statistic error analysis of RTL code flows by simulation based testing to observe behavior and final formal verification for conclusion result. Benefits of automated localization systems. The benefits are clear, debugging time and efforts are significantly reduced, detection accurate, improves efficiency for complexity errors and error detection, and reduces downstream cost. Limitations and challenges. There are some challenges for positives on may occur which leads manual vibration. Large design requires high more computation resource and results often need expert integration. Future tendencies. Looking ahead, AI and machine learning will play a big role. Tools are becoming more scalable and more integrated of formal methods with simulation. Increases of formal methods simulations. Best practices of effective error localization. For more effective localization, it's best to use manipulative techniques together. RTL code should always be well structured and readable. An automated tool should be applied earlier in the design process. Conclusion. To conclude, automated error localization is essential in modern RTL designing. Combination of statistic, dynamic, and flow methods for best results. With advanced AI and process will be become more efficient. Reference. For further knowledge, there are many research paper, tools, and techniques available. Therefore, depends in the explanations of guides on RTL debugging techniques. Thank you.